7 minutes including Q&A, okay?
Very good morning to all the investors. I'm Sharon, the Marketing Research VP for Protect Solutions, and this is Yang Yang, the CFO. And also with us today, we have our CEO, Felicia, and also our VPs, Joe, Swarup, and Jia Ying. So here we at Protect Solutions, we aim to provide innovative and quality products for our customers because we believe that by doing so, we would be able to maximize our shareholder wealth. And also, as you all know, the PC industry is segmented into 5 different segments. But for our company, we have decided to focus on only 3, the Mercedes, Travelers, and the Workhorses. These segments, they are smaller, but the profit margin is higher. So our strategy is to maximize our profit margin over our sales volume. So, there's a reason why everyone here is here at the BC Fair, which is for us to request for funding from you all. So for Protect Solutions, we are requesting for an investment of 2.5 million of funds for our future plans. So before going into our future plans, we will give you 3 reasons why you should invest in Protect Solutions. Reason number 1, we have huge growth potential. Currently, we have 9 sales offices across all regions, and in Europe, we have the first mover advantage by opening 4 sales offices ahead of all our competitors. So this Europe market is where we are the market share leader for the Mercedes customers. So we are ahead of our competitors by capturing this very niche group that has the most potential in the future. Reason number 2, we can produce consistent quality products. We acknowledge the fact that we are not a market leader in any of the segment yet, but we are consistently ranked 2nd in terms of brand design for the past 2 quarters. So the keyword here is consistency. Reason number 3, we strategize the best marketing campaigns. For our company, for the past 2 quarters, our ads have consistently received the highest ad judgment ratings for all of our ads. So we believe that with our quality brand design, coupled with outstanding marketing strategy, we are the top scorer in terms of marketing effectiveness for our company. So with our track record, we can assure you that we will be able to produce the same outstanding results in the future. So all in all, we have the market appeal, the brand, the shops, the market share, and a lucrative profit margin for to propel our growth forward in the following quarters. But to make it come true, we need your investment.
Thank you, Sharon. Now I'm going to tell you what are we going to do with the money that you guys would be potentially investing in us. First, we'll invest a bulk of this investment from you guys in R&D. Well, we are actually going to target the most lucrative and our number 1 targeted segment, the Mercedes. And we will actually spend another sum on factory improvements. So we are aiming to be producing at least 350 units per day by the end of quarter 8. And we will actually be opening new sales offices as well. We aim to open in every single city, and we are very confident of meeting this demand. So what is it in for you guys today? Well, we are actually asking for $2.5 million investment in exchange of 15% of shares in our company. And we have actually calculated a return on investment of 1.805, which is a very lucrative amount, and we have actually taken into account the discount rate of 15% and quarter-on-quarter sales growth of 20%. So with this ROI, we actually projected returns for our investors of $4.51 million. And our investors will be actually looking at a margin of $2.01 million. So for the reason why you guys should invest in us, we actually have a financial risk of 1.00, which is the lowest, and it means that we have no debts, no liabilities. And we also have the highest investment in future. So we are the highest for this index at 4.35. And that means that we have actually a very large future potential growth. So factoring our high investment in the future index, our low risk, and our ROI of 1.805, we are actually the safest bet for any investors here today. So on behalf of Protect Solutions, we actually thank you guys.
Questions?
How do you get your discounted rate of 15% when you calculate your projection, financial projections?
15% discount rate is it for the valuation of the company right now? Actually, this is the required returns for the investors because it's the WACC, right? We're factoring into account such that this would be the minimum let me phrase it in a better way. Minimum return that you would get from your investment, because being a new startup, we understand that there are certain risks in our company. So 15% is an inflated value already, such that it covers for the additional risk that you incur investing in us. But because we are very sure and very confident about our strategy right now, we put it at 15%, such that other companies may put it at 20%, but we are very sure of our strategy. That's why we are putting it at 15%.
Since you are so confident, how much are you going to invest out of your own grades in the future?
Out of our own business.
Yeah.
We actually, our current investment is at around 10.6%, and we are actually willing to match whatever amount that we will get from investors and any future requirements. So we are actually we are okay with grades.
Is it upper limit when you invest your own money? Is it upper limit for your team?
So as in our own decision, is it? I think most of us are okay with just going because we are confident of breaking even and generating sales and earning back our grades.
Okay, time's up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.